Okay, so what we need to now do is pick the lock. You can see the lock is turned and it is picked. Now we need to remove the center plug, turning it to the center and spitting it out. These are the keys we wish to match the lock to. Putting the keys into the cylinder, we can see that none of them line up, so they become our hole pins. Looking at the cuts now, we can determine what needs to go in there. Okay, once you've loaded up your cylinder, you then need to put it back into its housing and test if it works. If it works, it turns. Putting the cap back on the back of the cylinder. Normally there's a tailpiece that will be kind of protruding through here, but there's not for this example. Squeezing the horseshoe back on, testing our key. And we have just recoded a 201 Lockwood rim cylinder lock. Thanks for watching.